Mix Coca-Cola with laundry detergent. From these ingredients, a substance will be created that has many household applications. Sounds strange? Let me explain what it's about. Coca-Cola is not only suitable for drinking. Its composition is extensive, and many substances in it have brilliant uses. Add a measure of your favorite laundry detergent to the bottle of this drink. Screw the bottle and shake it. When the substances combine, foam will form. Pour the mixture into a large jug. Add a large tablespoon of baking soda to it. Mix everything thoroughly. Take a clean spray bottle. Using a funnel, pour the liquid into it. Screw it tightly. In 5 minutes, you can make a brilliant cleaning solution. Just spray it on the toilet. The phosphoric acid in cola will do a great job with lime and rust. Baking soda has cleaning and disinfecting properties. The scent of your laundry detergent will linger throughout the bathroom. This versatile solution will work wonders in getting rid of dirt. Lime from water, which settles on the sink and faucet, will disappear without scrubbing. Just spray and leave for a few minutes. I use this recipe when the cola is flat.